What's up, my people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video, if you don't already subscribe. Let's dive right into it. Jamaican style, I am going to show you today how I cook curry goat, otherwise known as curry mutton. Yeah, man. So there you have it. This is the goat. So I clean it up and I wash it off with some hot water. Now I'm going to blend the season, which is some scallion, some thyme, some pimento, garlic, onion, bell pepper, and a little piece of hot pepper. Then I'm going to add a little salt and Maggi all-purpose. So there you have it. And now I'm going to rub up the seasoning on the meat and let it soak for overnight. Okay, so now I am going to use 2 teaspoons of curry into a little tubs of oil on the fire, on low fire, and just let it cover into the oil a little. The goat have a lot of oil, so I try not to use too much oil to let it too greasy. And there you go. I add it to the pot and I'm just going to stir it up. And as long as all the meat are covered with curry, now I'm going to cover it up and let it steam, and I keep checking it. It's spring water, or I add water. And I keep doing that for almost 2 hours. Then I add some more seasoning to it and let it cook. This take about 2 hours to cook. I did not use a pressure cooker because I wanted to take its own time to cook, and I add a little piece of ginger. And there you have it, guys. That's how I cook my curry goat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.